Welcome to the Mustang 2003. It is a V8. As you can see, it's in lovely working condition. It is a GT. This honey is currently going for $7,988, but we've cut it off for you to $7,488 plus tax. Here's your VIN. Good interior. As you can see, it is stick shift, of course. Power windows, power locks, and you have control over your windows. It is a mock audio system. Okay, have a look at the back. If you're trying to recapture some of your childhood memories when you used to play with cars, I would highly recommend you come have a look at this.